Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your Dasher ID on the Dasher app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and get your Dasher ID for support purposes. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Dasher app. Next, click on the sandwich icon on the top left-hand corner, then click on Account, then click on Profile. And then on this page here, if you scroll all the way down, you're going to see some more blurred out information, but you should be able to see your Dasher ID. Your Dasher ID is an 8-digit number, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and find your Dasher ID on the Dasher app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.